Hey there, welcome again in my video, and today we discuss about language types, machine and the assembly language. So there, as we know that there is a big difference, a great difference between the machine language and the assembly language. So a machine language consists of the numeric codes for the operations and the particular computers can execute directly. Their code are the strings of 0s and its 1s, that means 0 and 1, or the binary digits like bits such 0 1. I think as you know that 0 1 are the binary digits, so 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 1 0 1, that's all. These are in the gates condition: NOR gate, NAND gate, AND gate, and such are more. So there, which are frequently converted both from A and B, the hexadecimal base 1 to 16 for the human viewing and the modification. Machine languages are instructions typically used some of the presented operations such as additions and some that represent operands, that the paths and the locations of the next instructions. Machine language is, I think, difficult to read and write since it does not resemble the conventional mathematical and the national for the human language. It is, I think, the codes vary from the computers to computers and machine to machine as well. The assembly language is one level above the machine language. Yeah, their assembly language, I think, is another level, another type, another option for the machines. It uses a short mnemonic and the codes for the instructions and allows the programmers to introduce names for the blocks of the memory and the total data to hold the machine. One might test the right add pay at a total instant or 0 1, that's here 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. For an example, this instruction that adds a two number only, then one number is 0 and other one is 1. So the assembly language is designed to be easily instructed into the machine's language. Although the blocks of the data may be referred to the name intended by their machine's addresses, as assembly language does not provide a more sophisticated and the means of the organized complex information. Like a machine language, assembly language is required to detail knowledge and the internal computer's architecture. It is useful when such details are important as in the programming a computer to instruct with the pre-practical devices, printers such as scanners, some storage devices like as SD cards and the flash and DVD discs and also CD drives, and so the forth. That's so they are algorithmic language, I think, allographic language, allographic, which is driven from a word algorithm, that's allographic languages are designed for the expressions of the mathematical or the symbolic compositions. They can express algebraic operations in a national similar mathematics and allows the use of subprogrammers that package a commonly in use operations for the reuse. There were the first high level languages. As you know that there are hundreds and the billions billions, not there are hundreds and the hundreds of languages are used today in the different fields of life, such as in the machines, in another devices, and some robots. So there, it is not a justify and the clarify day to day they are a burn of a new language. Such in 2K22 may appears a new language known as a dot language. I think dot language and the cross language both are newly born, but they are especially designed and more much languages are burn day to day and after in the future. So there I hope that you get totally informed from the different types and the different solutions selections and the algorithmic language. So thanks a lot and thanks for watching our channel. And oh yeah, at the end I also defined that a machine language is totally differ from the assembly language, and assembly language is a special type and an featured level and expert level of the machine language. So thanks for watching our video and thanks a lot.